This is the additional maths paper 2014, and we're looking at question 4 today. So the question you've got in front of you, you've got an algebraic statement that is saying that it is exactly the same as the other part, and we need to prove it. So to start this one off, I always look at my denominator. So I've got 3, 4, and 5, and I've got 60. Well, I know 3 goes into 60, I know 4 goes into 60, and I know 5 is. So at this stage in my mind, I want to split these fractions up and actually find an equivalent fraction to it. So the first fraction, so 2x over 3, I know if I times 3 by 20, I get 60. Second one, 4 times what? 4 times 15. And the last one, 6 times 12. So I'm just writing myself a little note. 20 times 2, that gives me 40x over 60. Next one, 15, and I'm multiplying everything on top over 60 now. And then the last one, everything by 12. So again, multiplying everything on the top all over, that's a dodgy line, by 60. So once I've done that, now I can merge them all together. So 40 minus 15 brackets x minus 7 plus 12, 3x plus 1, all over 60. Last step then, expand out. So you've got 40 minus 15x plus 105. That was so badly written. This is real time for you. Well, not for you, because you'll be watching it back as a recording. 105, and then plus 36x plus 12. Once you're at this point, we're now going to simplify it down. So, oh, I've missed my x there. 40x. Yes, and I've missed it right there. That really frustrated me. So 40x minus 15x will give us 25x. 25x plus 36 will give us 61x. And then we've got 105 plus 12, which gives us the 117. And that's all over 60. So we have proved it. So that's that one done. And here's the mark scheme. So find the equivalent steps. We've done that. And use a common denominator. So we've got our 2 marks for that. So the next one is just making sure we've got that long line to that last line that I wrote. And then the last part is showing that they are the same. And that is it. So you can easily see a nice, easy 4 marks from that. Key thing it says here is if there's no denominator. So please make sure you write the denominator through it, otherwise you lose 2 marks. Hopefully that helps. Thank you, and have a nice evening.